Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. Yeah, RNDR is currently showing the expected fifth wave to the upside, hasn't clearly topped yet, and could soon start the next pullback in wave B, but it's done now what it needed to do. We rallied from the micro support region to resistance. Some of you said it's been really, I don't know, more than a month that I covered RNDR, which is not correct. So I do cover it regularly in our gold membership, but I can always encourage you to keep an eye on X, formerly Twitter, because only a week ago, not even, I published a RNDR analysis here, and the forecast was for one more high and for it to find support in the support region. So always make sure that you follow us here as well, because I think a few days ago I covered Shiba Inu, and there are many other updates here as well. So you can find the link to our profile in the video description. Because then you wouldn't have missed the RNDR update. The price did reverse in this communicated micro support area, which is a standard support region for this wave 4, internal wave 4. I mean, it didn't look finished, right? We had this possible A wave to the upside, a B wave down, and the C wave to the upside should be a 5-wave move, and it was a fairly clear 3-wave move into resistance, which is located between 689 and 1021. And then the pullback was really looking corrective. I mean, that was really a overlapping corrective structure, which is usually indicating that one more high should happen. And we now actually have a 5-wave move up in that 5th wave as well. And you might hear the dog in the background jumping around. And this is now a 5-wave move up as well. So it could be close to the end of that 5th wave. However, I would need some kind of a break of a previous swing low to indicate that we've really topped there now in wave C of A. That would be in the first place a break below 740, but then probably a more reliable confirmation that a top has been formed is a break below 661, the swing low before that, followed by a break below 636. And then, you know, I will have to adjust this support area together with the price. We've just pushed a little bit higher since the last update. I think I covered it yesterday on Discord. And micro support, it's not micro support, but support is now located between $4.17 and $5.92, which means at some point, once this wave 5 is done of wave C of A, we can watch for that B wave to unfold. I will now remove that support region. We don't need that one anymore. And what we can do in addition to the standard resistance area, we can also add some Fibonacci extensions, which give us further insights about where wave C and circle wave A should form a price top. Yeah. So there are a few levels to watch, and it already reached the 100% extension. So that's great. That's the first, let's say, first ideal target, I should say. The next level is at $9.16 and then $10.05. And what I want to do is just make it dotted lines. Yeah, so these are the next upside levels. The wave 5 could stretch a little bit higher, possibly to 916, but I am on high alert now for signals that this B wave pullback might start. So that's always bear in mind, extensions are possible. What we can do as well, I mean, this microstructure was a bit difficult to read in wave 4, but I would assume the end was around 636. So what we can do as well, we can try to look at the internal structure, take the length of waves 1 to 3, go to the low of the wave 4, and we're looking for the 61.8 extension, a very, very common target. And we talk about 920 as well, like roughly 920, 930. Okay, so between 916 and 927, you know, at least there's a bit of confluence of Fibonacci levels. Just putting it out there. Okay, that's the update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.